Check this out. 66 Nova SS. You said it's an L-79 car, right? Still have the S327. Is it the original one still or no? So there's a replacement 327 in. Still got the 4-speed. There's not a better color combination. And this the original colors? Yeah. Black and red? Somebody spec'd this thing out perfectly. Look at that. These are my favorite Novas. Oh, it smells good in here too. How does it drive?
Good.
Yeah? God, these are so dope. And I like it because the paint, you know, it's like, it's a Survivor. You know if it's been painted?
I think one time, a long time ago.
Yeah. I like them like this. Survivors, don't got to worry about them. He already put the South Tacoma plate on it. But it's so dope. Got battle scars and everything. Dang, this thing's beautiful. Love it with the steelies and dog dishes. Just the best Novas. Easily. Can I pop the hood?
Yeah.
Is it right here?
Bottom of the grill.
Uh-oh. I'll let you do that part. Oh, yeah. Man, that's an expensive air cleaner. Oh, it's hot. You just got done driving it?
Yeah.
Ah, these are so nice, man. Well, fire it up, man. Let me hear it. I've actually never filmed one of these. I filmed an Acadian, the Canadian version. I love these Novas, man. Oh, yeah. Hell yeah. Oh, that sounds so good. Sounds good and smells good. I love them, man. They're so simple. Can't remember what horse the 327s have. I think they had like a 350 horse 327. Was it a 350 horse 327? Yeah. And is it an M20? M20 or M21? Do you remember? 21? Nice. Just dope, man. That's perfect. Yeah. That's beautiful, man. Let's see what else he got. Check this out. The original transmission sitting in the trunk and the hubcaps. That's funny. Are those the same as Impala hubcaps? 63 and 4? Those are Nova specific? Only? Oh. So wait, Nova and Chevelle or just Chevelle? Oh, okay. That's cool. He shipped it all the way up here. That's awesome. That's so dope. This is like a who's who for GM. And there used to be a 57 Bel Air here. It's at his dad's house.